Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Shahida and she writes, "Hello MissPlanIt." Hi Shahida. I'm planning my wedding soon. My theme is Winter Wonderland. I have been trying to find tree centerpieces, but they are priced outrageously. Yes, we know. Attached are two pictures of centerpieces that I love, but are way out of my budget. She has 5 wives on the way. I know that you would be able to recreate this masterpiece. Please help a girl out. Thank you so much, Shahida. Well, Shahida, not only am I going to show you how to make it, I'm going to give you all the supplies you need to make it also, right in the description below. I'm so excited to show you just how easy it is to create this tall crystal tree wedding centerpiece. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. We're going to use this 15-inch ornament stand as our base. Now I'm going to spray paint mine silver because it goes with the inspiration picture, but you can keep it gold or spray paint it any color you would like. To add a little bit more height and also to give me a space to add some flower detail at the bottom of the base, I'm going to attach it to a 6-inch styrofoam disc. And I'm going to use my floral pins to do that. Now, if you use the entire floral pin, it'll go all the way through your foam. You don't want that. So I'm going to use my wire cutters and just cut them down about halfway. Don't forget to wear your safety goggles. Safety first, guys. Our next step is to prep our 4-inch styrofoam ball. Now, I'm going to prep it by first painting it with our Mod Podge and then sprinkling our extra fine diamond glitter on top of it. That way, if some of our styrofoam ball shows through, it's just an accent to our centerpiece and not a distraction. Once you've allowed your styrofoam ball to dry about an hour or so, you're ready to attach it to your base. Before attaching it with hot glue, you first want to make an indentation to where you can add your hot glue to and then reapply it to the top of your base. Now it's time to create our crystal wire flower branches. Because the crystals have wire, are created with a wire branch already, we're going to just make that branch longer by attaching it to our stem wire. So I had some stem wire. They were all about 16 inches long, so I cut them down. So one piece is right at 6 inches long and the other piece is right at 3 inches long. And because the flower stems already come with wire, we're going to simply wrap them around our wire stems to make longer branches, therefore adding dimension to our centerpiece. Super simple. We're going to add 2 of our crystal wire branches to our 3-inch piece of wire, and then we're going to add 3 crystal wire branches to our 6-inch piece of wire, therefore creating a 3-inch branch and a 6-inch branch, and then we will use a single branch also. Now that our branches are done, we're going to create our crystal vine. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to attach 3 singles together, just simply by wrapping their wire ends together. So there's 2, And then we're going to attach a third one right to the center, creating our crystal vine. 2 vines will then be attached to the base of our centerpiece from the top all the way to the bottom. To further cover our styrofoam ball, I'm going to create what I call like a little crystal toupee. And we're going to do this by attaching 5 crystal branches to the front of our ball and 5 to the back, simply by twisting the wires together. And then we're going to attach it to the top of our styrofoam ball with our floral pins. And finally, we're going to just trim off the excess wire. Well, Shahida, what do you think? It's absolutely stunning. This would be the talk of any reception or any party. By that means they would just be trying to figure out, how did she do that? Someone said she did all the decor herself. And yes, Shahida, you and everyone else, if I can do it, you can absolutely do it. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, go ahead and like us. Subscribe if you want to be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want to know the moment the video goes live, go ahead and click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you will get a special notification the moment the video is live. You can also send us a comment or send us a question. We love your comments. We love to answer your questions. That is what we are here for. We are here to serve you. In addition to that, if you would like to follow us on social media, by all means, come on and join us. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what in the world are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It's so simple. Head on down to the description, click on the Rakuten link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and get a check at the end of the month. It is just that simple. Another thing that's really simple is we have planning binders for you. They're awesome. They walk you step by step, be it you planning your wedding, planning a graduation party, planning an engagement party, or if you are a maid of honor and you just need to know what in the world do I need to do, head on over to our MissPlanIt shop and go ahead and check out our DIY planners. Purchase it. It's available to you immediately in digital download. If you notice, we have been using our own created flowers. We've been working on this for months. It seems like absolutely forever. And they will be available very soon. If you want to know the moment you can purchase them, sign up for our newsletter and we will send you that notification. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on them and tell me what you think. I love them. I absolutely love them. If you want to hang out some more, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and you can hang out at our special channel that is exclusively on our website where I do projects around my house as well as projects for my family and friends. So come on out and hang out with us a little bit longer at MissPlanIt Home. Well, guys, that brings us to an end of this week's episode. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we are just very grateful that you choose to spend this time with us. Don't forget the links to the supplies as well as the links to the project cost are in the description below. You don't have to wonder where we get our supplies from. We have them all listed right there for you at your fingertips. Just click on that upside down arrow or triangle, however you see it, and go ahead and have the access to all of the links for all of our projects as well as the project cost. We had such a blast hanging out with you, so please always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.